Hey guys, RevItUp7 here. Today, we just got a new monster truck from the store. Last time we bought Earthshaker, but this time we bought Gas Monkey. And the only thing was that, this was the only truck at Toys R Us that we don't have. There was a deal that whenever you buy 2 of them, you can get 1 free. So basically you get 3 trucks. But me and my brother were just hunting. We were almost going to pick up this, but we already have it. So my brother and I were like, let's just get this since we don't have it. So we're just going to unbox it right now. And this, it has a new design for it. So here we go, let's unbox it. And it does come with a crushable car, and we don't have this one. All right. And just like that. Get that. All right, so anyway, as you can see, here's the Gas Monkey. It's all basically green, but it's very cool looking. And this, I don't know what car this is, but we don't have this car. And it's blue. We have a red one, I think, with Earthshaker. Well, basically, we did go to Gas Monkey in Dallas, and we did film some footage, like best Dallas cars there, and here it is, the truck.
You haven't done one of these car unboxing videos in a while, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to do a little ragtag video like we used to do. Not mess around with the thumbnail or anything. But yeah. What?
And whenever we went to the show, he almost won the racing.
Yeah, last year, not this Houston show we went to, but the San Antonio show before that, Gas Monkey did really good and made it to the final round of racing and put on a pretty good freestyle.
Then lost Lucas Oil, so.
Lucas Oil doubled down.
Did we get the footage?
Yeah, we did. It was a championship race.
Oh, okay.
I like these recrushable cars. They're actually fun to use, and since they're not metal cars, when the truck say does a sky wheelie over them for a video or something, it'll just bounce off instead of just like taking a hard bouncer. It's hard to explain, but actually we're planning on making a track video tomorrow. It's going to be Monster Jam straight drag racing with a jump on the end, but there's actually going to be an extended straightaway at the end. So it's going to be a pretty fun way to race these trucks without the fastest truck being the heaviest. It's going to be another extended straightaway so the lighter trucks can maybe catch up. And yeah, it's going to be a cool, balanced racetrack. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
See you guys next time. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.